Scott Pohl here from On Track Pro Shop. We have 3 locations in the Twin Cities. We'd be more than happy to help you. Come look us up. What we're looking at right now is an ever-growing popular thing in bowling balls, interchangeable thumbs. What's the benefits of interchangeable thumbs? Number 1, you can own numerous bowling balls and it's going to look something like this ball inside here, sort of a big hole to have with the ball. So what we can do with these interchangeable thumbs are, we get to a tournament or a league session, you know what? We only have to tape up 1 thumb hole, or 2 maybe, to get it ready. In the past, if you had 6, 7, 8 bowling balls, you'd have to check every one. It'd be a little bit time consuming. Sometimes you're under the gun a little bit for a time constraint. Interchangeable thumbs make it a lot easier. What's another great thing with interchangeable thumbs? Well, let's say your thumb fluctuates in size a lot. You know what? Whether or not you're bowling a lot, thumb typically is bigger, warmer weather, a little more humid, thumb is bigger size. On the opposite of that, maybe you're not bowling a lot. Your thumb could be smaller. Also, cold weather typically dictates our thumb isn't very big. Well, you know what? You can have multiple sizes of thumb inserts. A great way to combat this problem so you don't have to use numerous pieces of tape in a very big thumb hole, or if your thumb hole is too small, you know what? That can be a trouble area. How do these work? Pretty simple. Let me show you. So as you can see, the thumb insert has a front and back as I have tape inside the thumb hole, white in the front, black in the back. So what I'm going to do is actually put this on my thumb, and inside this large hole, there's a couple of tabs. You know what? I just feel right inside the thumb hole as I put it in, turn it, and it actually locks in for me. All right? Can I get this out pretty simple? Yeah, it's not that bad. You know what? I just put a little bit of pressure on the thumb, turn it counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, and it pulls straight out. Real simple to use from ball to ball. You have the same exact feel. You know what? Personally, I've been using these a really long time. I absolutely love them. Check out interchangeable thumbs. I think it can help your game a lot.